Let's see who the owner is. Oh, that's the owner.
How do you keep this interior so clean? I don't know.
The interior stays clean, but your shirt is dirty.
I know, bro. This fucking thing, they throw ketchup on me.
Do you get the shirts for free?
I wish. How long we moved here? A year? They never gave me a shirt.
See, I just want to say that I was parked here one time, like a couple days ago, and he comes in and he just rams into it. So he would have broke that. I didn't break that. This car's so expensive and doesn't have sensors to tell you that you're almost gonna hit.
How'd you do that, dude?
I didn't pull it.
Oh.
I'm not a bully. All right, so this G63 here, this is a good client of ours, also a good friend of ours. He didn't want to do a lot, like a big change on this, so we wanted to black out the car, make it all black. That's what we did. Emblems, wheels, some side pieces on the car, front of the car. Pretty much everything is all gloss black now. So now we're gonna go ahead and lift it up. We're gonna do green calipers. He wanted green calipers, which I think is gonna look really cool. So we're gonna get ready for the paint now, get that set up. And also this car needs a brake job. So we're gonna go ahead and do the brake pads, rotors, sensors, all original parts from Mercedes, paint the calipers green, give it a nice detail inside out, and we're all good to go. And an RDV license plate.
Yeah, I just got this. Ferrari F8.
You should be a photographer, Sarkis.
Here you go, Sarkis.
Try to take a picture.
Yeah.
Oh, I will.
He's actually pretty good. Yeah.
That's a good picture. It's a good picture?
Is it a good picture? Yep. I'll be out of a job here if you keep shooting like that.
I like your haircut.
Oh, you like my haircut?
That looks fresh.
Somebody told me, hey, cut your hair like a V. And I go to the lady and I tell them I need to cut my hair like a V. And she do it like this. Maybe V like a big.
You have the tape in it?
This guy been like to play with me, you know? Because I'm an old man, but I like to play with the old man, you know?
But imagine if we win. Even if I win 500 bucks, I'm retiring. That's it. I'm done. I'm not really a gambler. I don't like gambling too much. I like shows. I like watching shows and stuff like that. You know. But I don't know. Maybe like 1,500. That's like with like dinner and stuff. Like I'm gonna spend 3,000, like including dinner, this, that. Yeah. So not much. I want to buy him a shirt that says "Make it to break it, Salazar."
You use this car in like a day.
Yeah. I guarantee it's not gonna work the next day. This coilover system by Novitec is insane.
It's not by Novitec.
It is. The springs are Novitec. Oh, the system is KW. This is a $12,000 system. You can buy 2 Camrys with 12 grand. So this is actually by KW, huh? Look how professional it is. Really, really nice. This is a lot of money. It's the nicest kit you can put on. So.
You know it's the nicest kid if you
Because
don't
it's
even
expensive.
know.
I mean, anything 12 grand is expensive. I would have bought 2 cars for 12 grand. That's that win. Why is everything a problem? They said you're complaining or something like that. You're tired. I don't get it.
Oh.
Tired of me? Tired of me?
Are you tired or are you okay?
Tired of me?
No, work right.
They say this is for the Mortal Kombat. Hey, he got me.
The white. These cars, when you put Novitec springs on, the SVJs, SVs, the spring rate is just not perfect from Novitec, so the car gets very bouncy and also gets a little wobbly at speeds. These coilovers are against that. I drove it for like a mile. Dude, it's actually pretty smooth. That bumpiness is gone and it's fully adjustable. It has 3-way adjustability. I haven't taken on the freeway driving fast, but I'm sure the wobbliness is gone as well. So literally one of the best things you can do on this car. Pretty ridiculous. So we waited a while for that. We got 3 of them in for 3 SVJs that we're waiting. So super excited about that.
The center is right there. That's
the center. You have to know.
Oh,
the
center. Not even the drill you can use that? Jesus Christ. Center. with this, hold the drill, and with this, hold the piece.
Okay.
Right, this one like that. Hold the string, okay? Hold the string like this. Hold the string like this.
I did a better job than you.
Good job.
Better job than you.
Good.
Sarkis just woke up from his nap that he took right now. And then he's acting like he's busy, but he was sleeping 5 minutes ago.
So this is what happened. So I was in the back helping the guys. When I came here to smoke, this guy comes in, bro.
Okay.
Worst time.
Every time me or Mono, anybody comes in, he's outside smoking a cigarette. I don't know how
you know the reason why? Because they come 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and that's my smoke time.
Oh,
it's
9,
10, 11, 12, 1.
So every hour is
2.
your smoke time.
Yeah.
Very nice, yeah. SVJ right here as well. This is a balloon white. We just installed the 1016 full carbon fiber front hood right there. It's exposed for now because he has a ton of carbon fiber everywhere. The mirrors, it has a full Novitec kit, so carbon. Just got carbon fiber everywhere. Even the carbon fiber dime mag wheels, full exhaust, tune, everything you can imagine, this SVJ has it. He wants to do even more. He wants to make these pillars carbon fiber, so we're talking to 1016 about doing some overlays for that. Yeah, I mean, this SVJ is beautiful. Like I said, we're gonna have 4 here right now, yellow, blue, white, black. A lot more SVJs coming, so super excited about that. And then we have this thing right here. This came from the Bay Area. This is a Ferrari F8. Actually, this thing, we modified it about 7-8 months ago. It's got wheels on there, big wheels, 2122s. It's slam. It's got exhaust system tune. It's got stars in the ceiling. It's got a lot of stuff, this car. This is a monster F8 build right here. Ton of carbon fiber from factory. We're gonna be doing a few things. He actually damaged the diffuser in the back, unfortunately. Ferraris have an issue with the diffusers, especially when you lower them. It's very hard to go on driveways. The back is worse than the front, actually. So we're gonna have to replace this carbon fiber rear diffuser. It's sad, but we do that often. When they're plastic, we can paint them. When they're carbon fiber and they're a little chipped up, we can repair it. But when it's a chunk missing, we have to actually change the whole diffuser. So gotta do that to this beautiful F8. He's actually sending his Urus as well. It's coming tomorrow. That's gonna be a full wide body kit. Insane amount of projects going on right now. Luis is working on a crazy Cullinan. Super excited about that. It's not gonna be done by this episode, but by the next episode, you guys will see it. It's a wide body Cullinan in a crazy metallic blue color. So stay tuned.
Bro, instead of you guys are talking shit, just move the car. We have another vehicle outside.
Let me move it for you.
Wait, bro, instead of saying say something.
He's taking this car.
Okay, why are you guys not saying it?
There's 300 cars here. You blocked the only car that's about to leave.
Yeah, great. All right, take it off.
Good thing you can have the car for as long as you need.
Oh, great. Thanks. We have a lot of parking.
I have like 7 cars here, dude. Just get them done. I'll take them home, dude. Vic only wants to do one thing at a time.
Okay, so you know the plan? Yes. Okay.
How are you gonna move it if there's a thing? How are you gonna fit here?
I'm not going to park it here. I'm going to move the car this way while you take out the BMW and he takes the PISTA.
Okay.
You know how to pack your cigarettes and smoke them, but you don't know how to move cars?
Oh, worst person. No, he's 100 times better than Vic. That's for sure.
Oh, really?
No, he's not.
You just shit on me. Yeah. And then also shit on my business partner.
Oh my god, it's on a girls thing. Look, it's the Russian dating site. It's been like 10 minutes, bro.
Is he gonna like it?
Is this serious right now? Oh my god. Bro, his head hasn't moved.
Bro,
It's been 20 minutes. He's watching the same thing. Oh, he's gonna mess up.
He burped. Dude, that was like 10 minutes.
That was 10 straight minutes.
Dude, we were watching it for so
Watching it
long.
for 10 minutes.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How many minutes?
Literally like 10 minutes, yeah.